crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about notions for your crochet hobby. Of course, the most important thing to have is a hook that you love, and I've talked about hooks in a previous video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about other tools. First up, you will need something to cut with. I've got these needle clippers that I use to snap my yarn. I've got this cutting tool. As you can see, it's got notches and a blade inside that cuts your yarn. You can use any kind of scissors. These are good because they won't be taken away if you're flying. The next thing you will need, of course, is something to measure with so that you know you're making something that is a correct size. You can have measuring tape, a ruler. I sell these bracelets. This one is a 5-inch bracelet that you can just have on you all the time and not worry about it. Once again, if you're traveling or in a car or even at home, not looking for it. The next thing you'll need are these kinds of stitch markers. There's different types, but you want the one that opens up, or at least has an opening. There are spiral ones. These ones close. So you need a stitch marker that is appropriate for crochet, because some stitch markers for knitting you can't use on your crochet projects. And the last thing that you'll want to have is a darting needle. I got this kit from Amazon. It's a knitting kit, and it came with tools for knitting as well as just a bunch of darting needles. You will eventually lose them. If you know, you know. If you don't, you will know about it. So darting needles, stitch markers. The other thing I'd recommend, it's not a necessity, but some sort of pouch to keep your yarn, to keep your project nice and safe. Your tools, you can grab a pouch, stick it in your luggage or just in your purse, have it on the go. So something to keep your yarn and your project and your tools safe and clean and ready to be used when you're good to go. All right, I hope this was helpful. These are the most basic tools and notions that you will need in your project bag.